Hello aspirants, I'm Indumari Karthikeyan from Incar IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about the 5th December current affairs. This topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is Lokayukta. This topic is comes under our important aspects of governance, transparency and accountability. First of all, we must know what is the key issues in the Mysuru Urban Development Authority. That is, a authority has been a center on several controversies and legal disputes over the years. Common issues include alleged irregularities on land allotments, corruptions, delay in the housing projects, and misuse of funds. These are the important thing. Will be we need to realize how it can be overcome. So the key issue in the Mysore Urban Development Authority is first of all irregular land allotment. That allegation of plots being allotted in ineligible individual or influential people bypassing the rightful beneficiary. So lack of transparency in the allotment process, and also there is a delay in the development projects. There is a schemes, housing schemes, infrastructure projects delayed in years, affecting citizens awaiting possession of the plots for homes. And also there is an encroachment and illegal constructions also in the Muda's jurisdiction. So it's a very much alleged, approved by, overlooked by the officials. And also there is a financial irregularity, misuse of funds, and for the allocation of these developed projects. And also there is an allegation kickbacks, that misappropriation contracts awarded the Muda. So failure to follow the legal procedure is also one of the criteria that non-compliance with the Karnataka Urban Development Authority rules causes a fraudulent and land registration. That Lok Yukta is a anti-corruption ombudsman organization in India established in addressing the compliance against public servant and also ensure accountability in governing offices, including state agencies like urban level development authorities. There is a role of Lok Yukta, that is an investigation of corruption, that handles the company's complaints about corruption, favoritism, the misuse of authority in the public official. And also there is an oversight of government agency ensures like Mysuru Urban Development Authority comply the legal and ethical standards. There is a quasi judicial power to recommend actions, penalties, and prosecution of corrupt official. So, and also it can give the public interest safeguarding. There is a work on ensure the public grievance related to the government serious services and also policies by addressed efficiently. So these are the important role of Alokik, that the investigation, oversighting the due issue, and also judicial authority. There is a public interest safeguarding. So how to, there is a powers of landmark cases with Lokayukta is many cases. That is a Lokayukta is a very important crucial things that Karnataka Lokayukta has been instrument and covering high profile corruption cases such as illegal mining scams, irregularity in land allotments by various urban development bodies, including this Mysore Urban Development Authority scams. So there is a very much important this Lokayukta for our India. So there is a India is having a, so much of politically powered people and multi-party system. So we need to know about the system, that is how it can be redressed, how it can be governed, so how it can be transparent, how it is useful for the need. So we need to take care of all those things. So we can definitely use the Lokayukta will curtail these kind of misuse of the land allegations, registration, everything. So Lokayukta is a very much important topic for our main topic. So you should concentrate on that. Thank you so much.